Hello everyone, I am Aman Abbasi and this is platform of Infinite Learn. So as you guys know about this topic today because of that description and thumbnail of this YouTube video. So top 5 maths concept with question for class 8th and score for also score. Okay, so let's start this session. Before starting the question and concept, I wanted to sorry. Okay, I wanted to tell you about this. What is the score exam and what are the prizes you're gonna get if you score well? See, in score examination is all India national level exam, so it will give you the experience of how a national level exam level exam give you some pressure, or how the experience of national level examination like JEE, NEET, CA Foundation, NDA and all, because before 12th class you guys not gonna get any kind of such a experience, because for a student life you get only such kind of experience in only 12th class, where you appear for examination like JEE, NEET, CA Foundation, NDA and all examination. But this exam will give you experience of giving such kind of national level examination. And what are the rewards? See, cash rewards up to 100%, scholarship, gadgets like a tablet, a laptop and maybe mobile phone. But this is my favorite reward, NASA trip. It's really if you guys gonna get this reward, if some of you will get this reward surely, this will be the lifetime best experience you're gonna have. Okay, next let's start the today's session. So first concept come out to be exponents and power. See, do you know guys what is the mean of this? What is the mean of 2 to the power 4? So nothing but 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. And we call this part as a base and this part as a power. Is it? I hope you guys all know about this. Let's talk about further. Now, what is this? 2 to the power minus 4. Sir, it means you will get 4 2's in multiplies, but not in denominator, not in numerator. They will here. We can write in this way. So, whenever you change the position from numerator to denominator, from denominator to numerator, what you have to do? Change the symbol of power. Change the symbol of power. What does it mean, sir? Let's say if you have 3 to the power 4 and I wanted to write this in denominator, I can write in this way, 3 to the power minus 4. Is it clear? Now I wanted to write this. I can write in this way. Is it clear? So whenever you have to solve question for exponents and power, what kind of question? Where you have to simplify, what you should do? Just solve all the you don't have to elaborate this like 3 to the power 4, sir, which is 81. You don't have to find 81. We will do some question and from there I will explain you how to do such kind of question. And first thing you should know about this exponents and power topic, some rules. Some rules that a to the power 0, it always give you 1, no matter what is the base. But a should not equal to 0. A should not equal to 0. Okay, 1 to the power a. 1 to the power a is always 1. Okay, 1 to the power base is 1, then power, whatever power you have, the answer will be always 1. And a to the power m into a to the power n, it will give you a to the power m plus n. And a to the power m upon a to the power n, it will give you a to the power m minus n. A to the power m into b to the power m, we can write in this way, a into b whole power m. A to the power m upon b to the power m, we can write in this way, a upon b whole power m. This rule you have to keep in mind to solve the questions of exponents and power. See, let's take first question. What first question says? 5 to the power 117 plus 5 to the power 117, 5 to the power 117, 5 to the power 117, 5 to the power 117. Can I take 5 to the power 117 as a common? What I will get? Here, from here, if I take power 1, 5 to the power 117 common, what I will get? What I will get here? Sir, 1. What I will get for here? Sir, 1. What I will get here? 1 plus 1. Sir, plus 1. And this is given as 25 to the power 2n minus 1. And what we have to find? Sir, find the value of n. Okay. Now solve this part. What is this? Sir, 5. 5 to the power 117 multiply 5. Okay. Okay, sir. Now apply the rules, exponents rules. See this rule. And one more thing I wanted to share with you, that if there is written as a, let's say there is written a, then a to the power 1 is equal. See, if there is written a, any number, let's say 5, 2, 7, we can write in this way, 5 to the power 1. So here in our question, we have power 117 and here we have power 1. Now using the rule, what I will get here? Sir, 5 to the power 118 is equal to, we have 25 to the power 2n minus 1 is equal to 25 to the power 2n minus 1. Now still I cannot compare this quantity with this quantity. Why? Because the base is not same. Now one more thing, one more rule we should know. See, if a to the power n whole power m can be written as a to the power n multiply by m, means power to power will get multiply. Okay. Now can I write this power as 5 to the power 2 into 118, I have to divide it by 2 because already I have taken 2 as a common. So what I will get, sir? 59. Okay, 59. Okay, next is equal to 25 to the power 2n minus 1. Okay, now can I write in this way? 5 to the power 2 whole power 59, and here I have same thing. Now can I write in this way? 25 to the power 59, and here what we have? Sir, 25 to the power 2n minus 1. See, base is same. Base is same, and we are saying that this number and this number equal. If base is same, then power has to be same. It means we are getting 2n minus 1 is equal to 59. Okay, now solve this. 2n is equal to 59 plus 1, I transfer this one here. 2n is equal to 60. What will be the value of n? Sir, 60 upon 2. N is equal to 30. Answer is B. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay, next. Now, if 3 to the power minus 2 into 5 to the power 9 divided by 3 to the power x into 5 to the power 3 minus 2y is equal to 1. Sir, how we are getting 1? It means whatever you get here, the whole power becomes 0. See what we are getting here. Sir, 3 to the power minus 2 into 5 to the power 9 divided by 3 to the power x into 5 to the power 3 minus 2y. Can I write in this way? I am just simplify this part, and we will like with the help of this question, that simplified part will be equal to 1. Okay, that simplified version of this part will be equal to 1. I am trying to simplify this. Now I told you how to do simplification. I will tell you in question. See what you have to do. Put everyone in numerator. How to do, sir? How to put everyone in numerator? See, as I told you in the beginning, that whenever you change the position, then the symbol of power get changed. See, 3 to the power minus 2, I am writing as it is. So power will not change. 5 to the power 9, I am writing in, it was in numerator, I am writing in numerator. So power will not change. Now this 3x, 3 to the power x, I am writing in numerator. Then the symbol of power will be changed. Symbol of power will be changed. Now this part, 5 to the power, see here I had 3 minus 2y. Now what I have to do? Sir, change the symbol. Minus 2y become plus 2y, plus 3 become minus 3. Now see, they have same base. They have same base. Same base, power get add. So we have base 3. Then what we have powers in? Sir, minus 2 and minus x. Okay. What is the total power? We have 5 and they are in multiplication. Yes sir. We can write in single power like 9 plus 2y minus 3. 9 plus 2y minus 3. What I will get? 3 to the power minus 2 minus x multiply 5 to the power 9 minus 3, sir, 6 plus 2y is coming out to be 1. Can I write 1 as 3 to the power 0 multiply 5 to the power 0? Can I write in this way? Can I write in this way, na? Because equal to 1, and as I told you that a to the power 0 always come out to be 1. Then what is the 3 to the power 0 multiplied by 5 to the power 0? Sir, 1 into 1, which is 1. So this one can be written as this. Okay. Now compare the powers. Now compare the powers. Minus 2 minus x, it should be equal to 0. Okay. And 6 plus 2y, it should be equal to 0. How I am getting these two equations? By comparing the powers. 3 to the power this, 3 to the power 0, 5 to the power this, 5 to the power 0. Now, what I will get here? Sir, x is equal to minus 2. Okay. What I will get here? Sir, 2y is equal to minus 6 implies y is equal to minus 3. I will get this. 2 minus 2 and minus 3. The answer is A. Any doubt you can ask me at any time in chat, okay, or in comment section. Next. Okay, now again one more simplification question. See, I have 8, I have 16, I have 32. Do you guys know about these numbers? There is a special relation between these numbers. All these numbers are nothing but the integer power of 2. Integer power of 2, see, 2 to the power 1, sir, 2. 2 to the power 2, sir, 4. 2 to the power 3, sir, 8. 2 to the power 4, sir, 16. 2 to the power 5, sir, 32. See, we have 8, we have 16, we have 32. Now, we have to simplify 8 to the power x plus 1 multiply 16 to the power x, okay, divided by 32 to the power x minus 1 is equal to, see, 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. So, I am written, instead of 8, I am writing 2 to the power 3. And what I have on the power? Sir, x plus 1. Okay. Sir, we have x plus 1. Okay. Now, 16. Instead of 16, what we can write? Sir, 2 to the power 4. And what we have whole power? Sir, x divided by 32. What we can write instead of 32? Sir, 2 to the power 5. And what we have in power? Sir, x to the power x minus 1. Now, if I go for simplification, what I will get? See, power to power get multiply. This 3 will be multiplied by x plus 1. What I will get? 2 to the power 3x plus 3 into, what I will get here? Sir, 4x. 2 to the power 4x. Okay. What I will get here? Sir, 5x minus 5. 5 will get multiplied with x minus 1. Every family of this expression. 2, 5x minus 5. Now, again, what I told you in previous question, make them all in numerator. Put them all in numerator. If they are in numerator, no change need. If they are denominator, just change the symbol of their equation. So, we can get 3x plus 3 into into 2 to the power 4x into, see, these two didn't change the position. They were in numerator, still numerator. Now I want this in numerator. What will happen? Sir, the power symbol of power will get changed. Here we have 2 to the power 5x. This 5x become minus 5x. We have minus 5. This minus 5 became plus 5. Okay. Next. Next. Now base is same, base is same, base is same. Power get added. See, addition is doesn't mean, sir, but you are doing 4x minus 5, you are subtracting. No, addition means, if I ask you to add 2 and minus 2, do you do this or this for the addition? For the addition, what you do, sir, just write them with your own symbol. You don't have to change your symbol. Similarly, you when I saying adding means just go with your own symbol. You don't have to change your symbol. It has 3x positive, 2 to the power 3x positive, write it as it is, plus 3 as it is, plus 4x. This 4x was positive number. This 4x was positive here. Okay. Then, sir, minus 5x and plus 5. What I will get? Sir, 2 to the power. See, 3x plus 4x, sir, 7x. 7x minus 5x, sir, 2x. 2x. Okay. Now, what about the numbers? Sir, 3 and plus 5. Plus 3 and plus 5. Plus 8. I will get this at the end. This will be the answer. This is your first part. And here we have second part. Is it clear, guys? If you have any doubt, you can ask me at any time by commenting down. Okay. Next is algebraic expressions. Algebraic expression and identities. See, do you know about this identity? I want to find a plus b whole square. What does it mean? Sir, bracket of a plus b into bracket of a plus b. What you get? You get a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Similarly, what about a minus b? What you have to do? Just put minus instead of b, put minus b. How to do? A square as it is. 2a into minus b. I will get a negative value. Now, minus b square. Square of any negative number became positive. So, what we have to do? Sir, minus b square is equal to minus b into minus b. You will get minus to minus plus b square. So, I will get here b square. Okay. Sorry, I am having cold. Yeah. Next. A plus b minus, and one more. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. And sir, what are the what is the significance of these identities? We will talk about it when we use them in a questions. Okay. Now next we have a plus b whole cube. It will be a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. And see, from here what I am getting common? Sir, 3ab. You are getting 3ab as common because we will use this form also. 3ab I am getting common and I will left with a plus b in bracket. So, this equation can be written in this form too. Okay. Next, a minus b whole cube. Now, what we have to do? Just put negative in front at the place of b. At place of b, put minus b. What you will get? Sir, a cube as it is. Now, minus b cube. What you will get? Sir, minus b into minus b into minus b. B cube and negative. Minus into minus into minus. Sir, minus. Again here, 3ab. What I will get? Sir, again negative. Again I will get negative here, because instead of b I am putting minus b. Okay, what about this, sir? Plus minus b, which is only minus b. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? A, b, yeah, positive and or. Okay, and one more important one, whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, yeah. Now one more, last one. See, in this one, what if you get a minus b plus c whole square? Wherever you have b, put minus b. Here you will get positive. Why? Because minus b square is b square. This one become negative, this one become negative. Sir, what about a minus b minus c? Means b and c is negative. Okay, no problem with it, square. Okay, here I am getting positive a, negative b, minus 2ab, minus b minus c, positive 2bc, minus c, positive a, minus 2ca. Is it clear? And one last thing, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square plus, no, negative, yeah, I will get negative values. But this one is not much important. This one is not much important. See, it will become 0 if a plus b plus c equal to 0. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc will become 0 if a plus b plus c equal to 0. It is given. Sir, why you are saying with a condition this one? You all study, you all talk about all these identity without any condition. Why about this condition? Because in many question, I have faced many question which uses this identity, where you have given that a plus b plus c equal to 0 and you have to find something, and that something is really related to this identity. That's why I talk about this one. Okay, so is it clear, guys? Next, let's take questions. Yeah, in first question you're gonna get that, see, x plus y plus z equal to 0. It means surely, sir, x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to minus 3xyz must be equal to 0. Okay, I'm going to need much space for this question. Let's start this question. See, what I'm going to do, I will do, make the denominator same. Make the denominator same. Why? Make it whole a like fraction. A like fraction. Okay. So what is needed here? Sir, x is, I want to make x, y, z in denominator. I want to make x, y, z. What is needed here? Sir, x. So multiply this equation, this part, x square plus x plus 1, multiplied this with x, and here I will have x, y, z plus, what about this part, x, they have right, actually there is a problem. See, here x square plus x plus 1, here should be y, z. Sorry student, this question has some error, typo error, that they copy but forget to write down. Okay, let me write this question perfectly. Instead of this term, I will have y square plus y plus 1 divided by xz. Instead of this term, I will have z square plus z plus 1 divided by xy. Yeah. Okay, xz, xy. Yeah. Now it's right. Now what I have here, sir, x and z. You have x and z denominator. What is missing? Sir, y. Then multiplied y square plus y plus 1 I am multiplying and dividing by y, so this will not change the value as we do to change 1 upon 2 into 2 upon 4. How we do? Sir, multiply 2 by 2. Similar way, I am multiplying it y upon y. Okay. So what I will get here? Sir, x, y, z. I had x, z already. I multiplied y upon y. I am getting y here. Okay. Next part is, sir, z square plus z plus 1 upon xy. We don't have z here. So multiplied by z upon z. Upon x, y, z. Okay. Plus 2 into. Sir, here we have y and z. We need x. And also this will be the problematic part, no? Yeah. See, instead of this, we should have x, y, and z. This will be the last part. Okay. We have y. What we needed? Sir, x and z. Okay. Then multiply x and z. What I will have here? Sir, x, y, z. What part we needed here? Sir, we have x, y and z is missing. Then multiply y, z, x, y, z. Plus, what is the missing part here? Sir, 1 upon z, x and y. X, y, z. Here. So, in numerator, in denominator, I have only same value, which is x, y, z. Now, let's talk about, in denominator, we have x, y, z. So, they are like fraction. They can be add and subtract. Now, what we have to talk about? Sir, add them, simplify them and add them. Okay. Can I write in this way? I multiply this x cube inside and I will get x cube here plus y cube from here plus z cube from here plus what I will get? Sir, x square from here plus, okay, I'm writing here, okay, plus, sir, x square, okay, sir, y square, okay, and z square, okay, plus 2xy here plus 2zy plus 2xz, okay, and what we are left with? Sir, x into 1 x plus y into 1 y plus z into 1 z and whole divided by x, y, z. See this. What I am getting? X cube plus y cube plus z cube. See from here. If a plus b plus c equal to 0, what we get? Sir, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to 0. Can I write in this way? Sir, a cube plus b cube plus c cube, it will be equal to 3abc. It will be equal to 3abc. So, instead of x cube plus y cube plus z cube, I can write 3xyz plus. Now, see this. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2xz plus 2zy. What I am getting here? Nothing but x plus y plus z whole square plus what I am left with? Sir, x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z whole divided by x, y, z. See this. X plus y plus z whole square. X plus y plus z, sir, 0. It is given in question. X plus y plus z, it is given in question. What I will left with? Sir, 3x, y, z upon x, y, z. I will left with only this number and x can be, this will cut down, this will cut down, this will cut down. I will left with 3. Answer will be 3. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? That's why I talk about that identity, last one, x cube, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Okay, next. See, I have given that this value is equal to 10. Okay, x into y is equal to -1. What I have to find? Sir, find 9x square plus 49y cube. Don't you see this, that this is nothing but 3x whole square plus 7y whole square. And where we get a square plus b square? Sir, we get it in the identity a plus b whole square. We get a square plus b square plus 2ab. But here we have a minus b. We also get a square plus b square in a minus b whole square. Okay. So if I square both sides in this part, square both sides, what I will get? 3x minus 7y whole square is equal to 10 square. What I will get? Sir, 9x square plus 49y square minus 2 into 3 into 7xy, okay, is equal to 100. Okay, this part we have to find out. Okay, write down it as it is. There is nothing, x square plus 49y square. Now, do we have the value of x into y? Yes, sir, -1. If I put -1 here, see, 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42, and I am having a -1 here equal to 100. Okay, now 9x square plus 49y square minus into minus plus 42 equal to 100. Now put this 42 here. What I will get? So 9x square plus 49y square is equal to 100 minus 42, which is 58. Answer will be 58. Is it clear, student? Okay, next. Find the value of this. Again, see, we are getting, sir, a square minus b square, and we know the identity a plus b, a minus b. So can I write in this way? If I consider a is equal to 117 and b is equal to 108, then what we have to find? Sir, we have to find under root a square minus b square, which can be written as under root a plus b into a minus b. So can I write in this way? This part can be written as under root 117 plus 108 bracket multiply by 117 minus 108. Is it clear, guys? Now what I will get here? Sir, 1178 and 225 multiply by 117 minus this, sir, 9. Okay, 225 is a perfect square number, okay, which is 15. I will get 15 out of root. Why? Because 225 is a perfect square number and it has a relation of multiplication. You guys know na, if you have something like this, a square into b, you can put out a outside of it if they have the relation of multiplication. Next, what I will left with, sir, 9. 9 is also a pure square number, a perfect square number. What I will get? So answer will be D. Next. Okay. Linear equation in one variable. See, any kind of equation which is like this, ax plus b equal to c. This is known as a linear equation in one variable, and this can be solved easily. You just have to find the value of x. Okay. And you know, in 11th class for JEE examination, there is a one topic which is known as straight line. The base of straight line start from here. The base of that chapter, which is really one of the most important question. Every year you will get at least one and maximum 2 question in JEE mains examination from that chapter, and the base of that chapter start from here. That's why you should be really clear with this topic. A batsman scores 148 runs in his 29th inning, okay, and his average increased by 4 After his 29th inning, okay. What about the till 28th inning? Let's say it should be runs. Runs score in ith match or inning is equal to xi. So what is the average of 28th inning? Sir, nothing but x1 plus x2 plus x3 dash 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 plus x28 divided by 28 is equal to, let's say, x. What is x? X average for 28 innings. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Can I say this x1 plus x2 plus dash 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 up to x28 is equal to 28x? Can I say this? Okay. Now what they said, sir, in 29th inning they scored for 148. Now sorry. Now find the answer for 28 inning average. For 28 inning average. So this will be nothing but x1, x2 plus dash 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 up to x28 plus 148 divided by 29, and they said this average increase by this, after this inning the average increased by 4. So can I say this average come out to be this? Now if you solve this equation, see, we know the value of this part. This is nothing but 28x. So I am writing here, this part is 28x plus 148 is equal to, multiply this 29 to this, I will get, so 29x, okay, plus 29 into 4, 116. Okay. Now solve this. If we put this 116 here and 28 there, 28x there, what I will get? So 29x minus 28x is equal to 148 minus 116. How much I will get? This will be 4 20 plus 26. Yeah, I'll get, sorry, no, I will not get 1 2 3 4, yeah, 36 or 32. Yeah, I will get 32 here. Okay. Now what I will get? X is equal to 32. But they didn't ask for x, because x is the average for 28 innings now, and they asked for what? What is his average inning, average after 29th inning? So they asked for x plus 4. X plus 4, because average become x plus 4. So answer will be 36. Is it clear, guys? Next, half the people in the room, okay, left. 1/3 of the remaining started dancing and 12 of them were not dancing at all. So how many people were there in the beginning? So let's say in the beginning there were number of people in the beginning is equal to x. Now what they say, sir, half of them left, them remaining x by 2. If you has like in your home there were 16 guests and half of them left, how many remain? Sir, 16 upon 2. So x were there remaining, x by 2, because half of them left. Now what they said, one third of them dancing. So it means x upon 2 into 1 upon 3, they are dancing. How many of not dancing? Sir, 1 upon 3 is dancing, then 2 upon 3 will not dance. Why? See, 1/3 is dancing, so what is left? So 2/3, and that 2/3 part is equal to 12. It means 2/3 part of remaining ones, 2/3 of x by 2 is equal to 12. Not dancing, is equal to remainings 2/3, which is equal to 12. And what I will get? Sir, x is equal to 3 into 12, which is 36. We don't have 36 in option, let's say. Is it clear? So answer will be E. Is it clear, guys? Raju paid 230 to a shopkeeper for 5 notebooks and 10 pens. Okay, let's see. Price of a notebook. Take it as X. And price of a pen is equal to Y, which is given already. See, 10. Okay. Now he paid 230 for what? 5 notebook. It means for 5x plus 10 pens means 10y is equal to coming out to be 230. Okay. We know the value of 10. Put the value of 10. 5x plus 10 into 10 is equal to 230. What I will get? Sir, 5x, 100 and 100 will, if you transfer this 100 here, you will get negative 100. 230 minus 100, which is equal to 130. So what is the value? Then find the price of a notebook. Okay, then x is equal to 130 divided by 5. It will become 20 and 6, 26. Answer will be 26. Next. Comparing quantities. What we have to do in this chapter, you have to learn about it in your school, like percentage and all. Sir, what is percentage? You know, percentage is something like if you have a number, let's say you have 5 lakhs and I ask you for give me the 5% of the 5 lakhs. What you have to do? Sir, percentage means like break them into 100 equal parts, and you are asking for 5%, it means you are asking for 5 parts. So if we break down 5 lakh into 100 parts, we will get 5,000. Okay, and you asking for a 5 part, it means the 5% of 5 lakh is 25,000, because 1 part equal to 1% and 1 part cost you 5,000 and 5 part will cost you 25. So this is what percentage. Percentage means like someone asks you to find the A% of x, then what you have to do? Sir, break down x into 100 equal part and find the value of one single part. The value of one single part will be x upon 100. Now they ask for A%, then multiply this one part with a A. You will get the A% of x. Okay, you know, there is a one more fun fact which is not related to your studies and all, but I just wanted to tell you that, you know, 50% of 16 is equal to 16% or 50. What does it mean? Whenever, like you said, I asked for a question, 5% of 5 lakh and 5 lakh percent of 5, they both are same number. Okay, A% of x and x% of A, they will come out to be a same number because of this formula. Okay, so this is not related to your study right now. Okay, so just forget it. It was just a fun fact. If you understand it, it's totally fine. If you didn't, just leave it for now. Okay, next. If 10 rabbits can be exchanged for 2 goats, it means 10 rabbits equal to 2 goats. Can I say, sir, 5 rabbits is equal to single goat? Okay. Now what they said, 9 goats for a 3 cows. This is equation 1. Let's say 9 goats, 3 cows. Can I say this 3 will cut down with 9 and I will get 3 goats is equal to 1 cow. Okay, equation 2. Next, 8 cows is equal to 2 horses. Can I say 4 cows will be equal to 1 horse? Now what they have asked, then how many rabbits are required for 5 horses? Okay, see, 5R is equal to G. Can I put instead of here, can I put instead of G 5R? है ना? From 1 and 2. What I can say? Sir, 3G instead of G, I can say 5R is equal to 1C. Okay, it means 3 5s are 15 rabbits for one single cow. Okay, now here what we have? Sir, 4C is equal to H. Now 4C, 4, let's say this is equation 4. Now from 3 and 4, can I say 4 into 1 cow? 1 cows are equivalent to 15 rabbit is equal to, sir, 1 horse. Okay, how many horses they ask for? Sir, 5 horses. So what I have to do? Multiply this whole equation by 5. What I will get? 5 4s are 20, 30, 300. Yeah, 300. 300 rabbits are required for 5 horses. Is it clear, guys? Any doubt you can ask me at any time. Okay, now next question. 25 paintings were bought by a shopkeeper for 5,000 rupees. How much the cost of one painting? Sir, 5,000 for 25 na? Okay, one painting is equal to 5,000 divided by 25 is equal to, this will be the one painting cost. Okay, 5,000 upon 25, what I will get here? So 200. Let me check. Yeah, 20 and 550 for 2 and 20. Yeah, 200. Now what they are asking, that shopkeeper wants to get a profit of 12%. What does it mean? It means he want in return 200 plus 12% of 200. What he need? He need that I will sell this paintings, but for what price? That I want that cost should be cover up. The cost is 200, so at least the price should be 200. But additionally, he want that I also want profit. I want instead of accept this 200, I also want 12% of 200. Okay, so what should be the mark price? MRP. This should be equal to 200 plus 12% of 200. Okay, 200 as it is. What they need? Sir, 12% of 200. You told us that what is the 12% of something? Sir, nothing. Just divide this value by 100. This value will be equal to 1%. And now you want 12. Then multiply this 12. If you have value of 1%, how to find the 12%? So multiply it by 12. Okay. Then I will get 200 plus 2 into 12, 24. The mark price should be this. Why is this? It should be option C. Is it clear, guys? If you have any doubt, you can ask me at any time. Okay, next. Square and square roots. Okay, square and square roots. See, do you know what is the square of 2? This is 4, sir. Square of 3, sir, this is 9. Now what about the square number between these? Like if you have to find square root of 4, square root of 9, so it will be 3, it will be 2. Now what about this? This number will be somewhere here. This will be 2 point something. So if you know the square of this, like this, I have to find this. Let's find the value of under root 15, where this value lies between what two integers. So just try to find out perfect square number just bigger than it and just small than it. 15, perfect square number bigger than 15, sir, it's 16. Write down here. Perfect square number less than 15, sir, 9. Write down here. What I will get here, sir, 3. What I will get here, sir, 4. Then this must be somewhere here. Okay, 3 point something something. Same goes for cube. How? Like I wanted to find what is the integers between those two integers. Let's say 22 lies. Cube root. This is cube root. So what is the perfect cube number greater than this number? 22, greater than 22 and perfect cube number. Sir, if I write cube of 1, this will be 1. Cube of 2, this will be 8. Sir, cube of 3, this is 27. So this 22 lies between these two numbers. It means cube root 8, cube root 27. So this is, sir, 2, this is 3. Then this number must lie between 2 and 3. So it will be 2 point something. 2 point something. There is the surety. Is it clear? Okay, next. If square root of a number is between 6 to 7, square root of a number is between 6 to 7. So what that number? Let's say that number is x. Okay. So the square root of that number lies between. It means square root of this number lies between these two. Okay. Okay. Now can you decide where this number lies between? Okay. See, if I do square of it, I will get here 36. What I am doing? Square. Square of this x. Square of this 49. And this number must lie between 36 to 49. Okay. Now what we have to find? Then find its cube root lies between. Now we have to find where this cube root find. We have to find this range lies between which two perfect cubes number. Which two perfect cubes number? What are the cubes number? Perfect cube numbers are 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube, sir, it's 27, 4 cube, sir, it's 64. Do you see this? That for a cube, for the cube, this range lies between 27 and 24. So in the terms of cube root, this number is lying between the cube of 3 and cube of 4. So the cube root of this number must lie between what? Between 3 and 4. Between 3 and 4. Because cube of this number lying between cube of 3 and cube of 4, then the cube root of this number must lie between 3 and 4. Answer will be 3 and 4. Next. Smallest required value of x to make 112x as a perfect square number and a perfect cube number. First talk about the square number. See, you know, if I give you any square number, and if you do a prime factorization of that number, you will get every prime number in the pair of 2. What does it mean, sir? Let me give you the example. Let's say we have 81. 81 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. See, if I make pairs, I have one pair of 3, I have one pair of 3. I am getting pair. This is a perfect cube, a square number. One more example. Let's take 144. 144 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into let me check, 2 into 2 4, yeah, into this will be 2 2 3 and 2 2 2 2 4 3, yeah. This 144 can be written in this form. If you multiply this, like 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 into 3 3s are 9, 16 into 9 are 144. Okay. Now see, you're getting pairs, one pair of 2s, one pair of 2, one pair of 3s. You're getting pairs because it's a perfect square number. In any other number which is not perfect square, you will not get this perfection. You will not get this perfect pair. Like for example, 125. Answer will be 5 into 5 into 5. See, I am getting one pair of 5 of 2s, 2 5s, but this 5 is remaining alone. So what I need one more, at least 5. Okay. So what I do, I multiply this number by 5 and I multiply this part is 5. Then this number become perfect square number. Similarly, what I have to do, I have to first prime factorize this 112. 112. It is divisible by 2. Yes, sir, is an even number. Divisible by 2. Okay. How much I will get? Sir, 5, 6. How much I will get? Sir, oh sorry, 2 divided by 2. Divided by 2. Sir, 2 and 8. Okay. Divided by 2. Sir, 14. Divided by 2. Sir, 7. Divided by 7. 1. So what I am getting? 112 into x is nothing but 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2, 1 2 3 4 multiply by 7. Is it perfect square number? No, sir. We are getting one pair of 2s, which is okay, another pair of 2s, which is okay, but we have only one single 7. We need at least one more 7, but we have x here, no? We have x here. So what is the minimum required value, smallest required value? X at least should be 7. At least should be 7 to make it a pair of 7 here. So perfect square number, what is the minimum required? Sir, x should be equal to 7. Now let's talk about the perfect cube number. See, in the perfect square number you get pair of 2s. In perfect cube number you get pair of 3s. Like for example, 27. 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. See, pair of 3. And let's say 22 to 8. 7 56 56 के 6 यहाँ से लगे 5 8 2 16 16 और 5 this number can be written as 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. This 216 is a perfect cube number. Why? Because the prime factorization of this is this. Perfect pairs of 3s. Every prime number is coming out to be a perfect in a pair of 3s. 3 3 3. But does, sir, it means you will get only single pair of 3s and not other? No, if there is a 6 3s, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. This is also perfect cube number. What we need, we have to break down them in a group of 3, and the group of 3 you should have a group of 3. You always should have a group of 3 if it's a perfect cube number. Like if I say this number x is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, I am getting one group, but this group is not it's not complete. So this cannot be a perfect cube number. Okay, so similarly here, what we have, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into x. Sir, we have one pair of 3s or 2s. Okay, now we are left with, we have 1 2 and we know more 2s, more 2 2s. So what x should we have? X should have at least 2 into 2. Okay, this x will give this 2 2s and you will have pair. Okay, but sir, we have only one 7. We need 2 more 7. Then x should have at least 2 7s more. So this should be the value of minimum value of x to make it a perfect cube number. Okay, and what is the value of this? Sir, 2 to the 4 and 7 7 is 49. 49 into 4, which is 196. 196. X should be 196. 49, 50, 50, 100, 200. Yeah, 200 minus 4. Yeah, 196. Answer will be 196. Now, let's start the miscellaneous. There is a questions from different topics. Okay, let's take this. See what we have, sir. A cube plus b cube whole square. What I will get after opening this? I will get, sir, a square. This part is working as a plus b square. This part is working as a b plus 2ab. Here not a, why I am saying a means a cube, because if we see identity of a plus b whole square, here a working as a cube is working as a and b cube working as a b, is equal to a plus b whole cube. Sir, nothing but a cube plus b square cube plus 3 into ab, but here instead of a what we have, sir, a square. Instead of b what we have, sir, b square. 3ab into a plus b. Sir, instead of a we have a square, instead of b we have b square. Okay, now see this value. What is this, sir? A to the power 6 plus b to the power 6 plus 2 into a cube b cube is equal to a to the power 6 plus b to the power 6 plus 3 into a square b square into a square plus b square. Okay, now see this a to the power 6, this a to the power 6 shift here, and this is positive, it will come out to be a negative here, they will cut down. Similarly, b to the power 6 will be cut down. What I will left with, sir, a to the power 2, a to the power this, b to the power this, and here you will have b square. Okay, if I shift this part there, I shift this part there and this 3 here, what I will get, sir? Here you will get 2 upon 3 is equal to a square b square a square plus b square, and in denominator you will get a cube and b cube. See, a square will cut down with power 3. I will be left with power 1. B square left with 1. What I will get in the end, sir? A square upon ab plus b square upon ab. Can I write in this way? This power will cut this power will cut this. What I will left with, sir? A upon b plus b upon a, and what we have to find, sir? This value we have to find out, and what this value coming out to be, 2 upon 3. Answer will be 2 upon 3. This is the answer. Is it clear, guys? Okay, next. If ratio of interior and exterior angle of a regular polygon is 1/4, then find the number of lines. Okay, see, do you know, guys, what is the let's say first take for ratios, what will be the interior angle? Interior angle will be, sir, x. Then what will be the exterior? Sir, exterior will be 4x because of this relation. Okay, now what they said, do you know there is a relation between interior and exterior angle, that interior angle plus exterior angle is coming out to be 180 degree. From here, can I found the value of x and x? Yes, sir, x plus 4x should be equal to 180. Now what, sir? 5x should be equal to 180. Okay, then x should be equal to 30 and 30, 36. This is value of x, not the interior angle, not the exterior angle. What was the interior angle value? Sir, x, and x is equal to 36. Okay, this coming out to be 36. What is the exterior value? Sir, 4 into x, whatever, 72, 71, 144. Okay, now how to find out the number of polygons here? You can find out easily. See, from this equation, you know now, 180 minus n minus 2 is equal to sum of the interior angle. It means 36 into n. Is it a equation? Is it a equation of a linear equation of one variable? Yes, sir. One more way you can find out that if this is the 144, okay, you know the sum of the all exterior angle is 360. Do you know that? The any polygon, you give me any polygon, it's regular or not, it doesn't matter. For any polygon, the sum of exterior angle come out to be 360 degree. So what, how much we have? Sir, this 144. 3 I don't think so this will be possible for a polygon, for a regular polygon, but we will check about it. But if you solve this equation, you will get a value of n, and if value of n will come out to be an integer, then this is the possible. And if n value is coming out to be a some fractional, if n value is coming out to be a some fractional, then it means such a kind of regular polygon is not possible. N should be a integer. Okay, so I am leaving this for you guys. Next 30, yeah. See, can I write this part as like this? Can I go take common 6 to the power x, and what I will left with? Sir, 1 minus 1 upon 6 to the power 3. Sir, how are you getting this in denominator? See, it was in numerator and I changed the position, and whenever you change the position of as number, what happened? Sir, change the power of symbol, change the symbol of power. Okay, next, and here I am getting 7740. 7740. Okay, now what I will get here? Sir, 6 to the power x, 6 to the power 3 is 216, yeah, and I will multiply this 216 upon 216. What I will get? 216 minus 1 divided by 216 is equal to 7740, sorry. Now into 215 divided by 216 can be written as this. Okay, 7740. Next, 6 to the power x is equal to 7740 divided by 215 into 6 to the power 3. Now solve this division. 216, 2 3s are, yeah, 2 4s are will be in 800 something. Answer will be 3, and 2 3 15, 645 will come out to be here. Yeah, it will be 6 at least. Now next, what is 36? 36 nothing, sir, 6 to the power 2 into 6 to the power 3. What I will get? 6 to the power 5 is equal to 6 to the power x. Now compare this. What I will get? Sir, x to the power, oh sorry, x is equal to 5. What we have to find? X to the power x. What we have to find? X to the power x. 5 to the power 5 is nothing but 3025, because 625 multiplied by 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 and 12, 5 6 are 30 and 31. Yeah, 31 I will get. 3125. 3125. Whatever, you have to just check answer. 5 to the power 5, it is 600, 6 5 30 and 3000 यहाँ से हो गया, and 25 into 5, yeah, 125, yeah, 3125. If in a regular polygon, the sum of the interior angle, what is the sum of the interior angle? Sir, nothing but 180 into n minus 2. This is the sum of the interior angle, twice of it. If the twice of it, okay, then multiplied by 2 is equal to sum of the exterior angle. What is the sum of the exterior angle? I just have told you, sir, 360. Can I write in this way? Oh sorry, 180. I should write 2 into 180. Why I am writing this? Because it will make calculations easy. Then it coming out to be n equal to 2. 90, 90, no. 8, So have I done any mistake, because it's coming out to, yeah, no, it's right. N minus 2 is equal to 1, then n is equal to 3. Solve. Is it clear, guys? But I will check this part again. Okay, now let's talk about score exam. What is score exam? Is national level exam conducted by Sri Chaitanya, going to be happen on 28th of September and I think 12th of October. You can choose any date which is preferable by you. You can register yourself and choose the date. Okay, and what you will get? You will get exciting reward, which is cash prize and 100% scholarship, exciting gadgets like laptop and tablet, maybe mobile phone. Okay, and the best part, NASA trip. Okay, next, what is NASA? Do you know, guys, now about the NASA? NASA is a space organization, study about space and all by government, and this is funded by the government of USA. Like we Indian have ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Okay, and as I said, dates are, examination date is 28th of September and 12th of October. You can register on this link. You will get this link in description of this video. Okay, now see, what is the last date? Last date for registration for this exam, 28th of September. Last date is 26th of September, and for this exam on the 12th of October, date is 10th. You can choose any date. Good evening, Anjali. Good evening. Okay, so last date for registration for this exam, if you want to give this exam on 12th of October, you can register before 10th of October, and if you want to give it on the 28th of September, you can register before 26th of September. Is it clear, guys? Okay, and what about the examination? Sir, see, your duration of exam, you will get a duration of exam. You have to complete this exam in 60 minutes. If you are class 5th student, you have to complete this exam in 75 minutes. If you are 6th to 7th class student, and from 8th to 11th, they have 2 hours. They have 2 hours. Okay, thank you.